and it's back to school. Here's a day in the life of a mom, teacher, and gardener. I got a melon! Woo! It's thundering. Let's get some basil, onion. I'm just gonna take 5 minutes to sit here and breathe. I start my mornings with a little me time on my bike while I edit my videos for the day. I also started a new skincare routine that I really like, including some tinted sunscreen because as a gardener, I spend a lot of time in the sun. Now it's time to get the day started and I'm right into mom mode while making lunches for the kids and myself. Good morning. How'd you sleep? Great morning. Hey, I was not expecting this morning, so I'm gonna go cut this up and it's gonna be a garden lunch today for sure. Now I'm heading next door to drop the kids off at their grandparents. Bye. Love you guys. All right, I'm here. It's time to go put my teacher hat on. I'll see you at lunch. Oh my God. This is so good. Come on. So good. I forgot a fork. Fingers it is. Finish my lunch. Then get back to work. I just got home and a big storm is about to roll right through, so I'm gonna go out into my garden, harvest everything I need for dinner, and then try to get back in as fast as humanly possible. I didn't even... Okay, let's... Woo! It's thundering. Let's get some basil. All right. Okay. I can't believe someone is mowing their lawn right now. All right, let's get some basil. Oh my gosh, it's really coming down. Let's get this green onion. Let's get some thyme. Woo, it's coming down. And oregano. Get as much as I can. Okay, everything else that I need for dinner tonight is in the house already harvested. I forgot to bring a basket. Making sure that I cut off any of the blemishes on any of the peppers and tomatoes. Blemishes happen. It's not a big deal. Just gotta make sure that we don't eat them. Look at these super sauce. Look at that. Oh my gosh, they smell so good. Wow, this is already smelling incredible. Real talk. I thought that we had sourdough left over from the weekend, but we don't because I guess my kids ate it, which is great. That's fine. So I'm going to make a quick flatbread. Hopefully I can get it done in time. When I'm not doing sourdough, I really like to use this yeast. It's Fleischmann's Rapid Rise. It's my favorite. That was the fastest storm we've had all summer, and I think there is another storm coming right behind it, but that's blue sky. Oh, that is so good. I don't have any time to make fresh pasta, so store-bought will have to do. Hey guys, dinner's ready. Here's my dinner. It's so hot, but I'm gonna eat it as fast as I possibly can. Okay, dinner is done, and now I am headed to my oldest daughter's back to school night. Woo! Let's keep going. I'm looking for a rainbow because a third storm just rolled through and now it's super sunny. So there has to be a rainbow somewhere, right? Oh, I'll show you. There it is. All right, last back to school night is done. I'm gonna head home and then I'm actually gonna come back here in just an hour. I'm just gonna take 5 minutes to sit here and breathe. Whew, today was a lot. I see so many cucumbers. There are so many cucumbers to pick. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at how pretty the lights are with the moon. Hi, Poppy. Hi. Hello. Cucumbers. Cucumbers. They're everywhere. Oh my gosh. There's literally, look at this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cucumbers. Oh, and 7 right in there. All right. I gotta go back up to the school and get my daughter. But before I do that, I have to do one more thing with my kids. My other two. I don't remember what color you guys each had. But then... Yeah, that's fine. You can.
Okay, hats.
There should be another one there too. Am I right? Okay.
I love this one.
Oh, well, hold on. See what the other color is too.
I like dark colors.
Now we got 3 water bottles. I got all of these too. Whichever you guys decide.
I really like blue.
I like blue. All right.
Okay, you can have this. I want this one.
That was very nice of you. Thank you.
Maddie.
Okay.
I want some like.
Do you want a specific color?
Well, is there?
I'm sure there's any color that you want.
Is there shoes that can like light up?
Yeah, I can look for shoes that light up, but those might not be the best option.
The color that I want is blue.
You want the color, you want blue?
Yeah, because I already got that.
So you want black, you want blue. They have a rounded tip so that you can't accidentally poke anybody, like yourself. But these do not have a rounded tip, so you gotta be careful, okay? Do you want the blue?
I have the blue.
Of course. And you want pink?
Yeah, I had those
Nope.
ones.
It's okay, I gotcha. All right, these are for your sister then.
Can I put this sticker on here?
If you want to. Okay. Just sitting here waiting for my teenager. She said, "Can you come pick me up early?" I said, "Sure." Showed up 15 minutes early. Guess how long I've been sitting here. Gotta love them. That was a long day. I did a lot. I was a mom, I was a teacher, I was a gardener, and I'm gonna do it again tomorrow.